Festive season is right ahead and everyone is so excited and preparing in their own ways. Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS with our very first recipe of Navratri Special. For this recipe you require soaked sabudana, boiled and grated potato, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, salt, oil to fry and grease your hands, chili flakes if you like it spicy, and cumin powder. So let's begin the recipe. Mix 1 portion of grated potato to half the portion of soaked sabudana. Add in chopped coriander and chopped green chilies. Add some salt as per your liking. Add some cumin powder and chili flakes and mix all the ingredients very well. Now grease your palms, then take a handful of the mixture and start making round cutlets. You can of course use a mold and give them any of your favorite shape. Heat some oil in a pan to fry these cutlets. If you are a health conscious kind of person, please go ahead and shallow fry them in lesser oil. Turn over and fry them till golden brown from both the sides. Now let's serve them in 2 different ways. First with green coriander chutney, and the other is everyone's favorite, the chaat version, with green coriander chutney, imli chutney and homemade yogurt. Try this yummy delicious recipe and tell us how much you like it in the comment section. Please subscribe to RovitaS for many more upcoming videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And yeah, hit the like button after trying and tasting the recipe. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.